How to log into Southwest Airlines account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Southwest Airlines and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, southwest.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. Login section will appear. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is type in your number or the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the login ID or the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. After you fill this, click on Login, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Enroll Now and go through the process for the registration. So, this way you can easily log into Southwest Airlines account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.